Hello there! I'm Sir Paul, your science teacher. Are you now ready for a more fun and meaningful experience in science? Today, we are on Module 3 Quarter 1 lesson in Science Grade 7. In this module, the most essential learning competency is to distinguish between mixture and pure substances based on the set of properties. Now, how do we differentiate pure substance from mixture? Do you have any idea?
After working on the activities in this module, you are expected to differentiate pure substance from mixtures based on a set of properties. Now, are you all excited to learn? Let's get started!
You have learned in your previous science teachers that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Example, this table is a matter because it has mass and it occupies space in a room. Same with chairs, the chicken found in your homes, and even you is considered as matter. You also have learned that in general, matter can be classified as pure substance and a mixture. Now, when can we say that a matter is a pure substance or a mixture? Let's take a look at its properties to see the difference. Kindly turn your module on page 2. Let us proceed with a new lesson through a poem. You've got what it takes to be a conqueror. If you read carefully this poem and discover the differences between substances and mixtures. The poem is entitled, I Am Substance, I Am Mixture by Wilfredo D. Bartolo Jr. Matter has two broad classes, mixtures and substances, each one with differences. Let us start with their appearances. Homogeneous or heterogeneous. Telling a substance from a mixture can be used. When substances are all homogeneous, mixtures can be homo or heterogeneous. Next way to distinguish is through separating technique. Mixtures can be separated easy and quick through evaporation, distillation, and filtration, but not substances due to chemical combination. Substances and mixtures behave differently during boiling and melting, most especially. Boiling point of substance is fixed, while mixture is not. Substance melts completely, but mixtures does not. I am substance, I am mixture. Two worlds apart. Just always remember the difference they've got to distinguish a substance or mixture from what is and what is not. I am substance, I am mixture by Wilfredo D. Bartolo Jr. Did you find the poem interesting and effective learning resource? If your answer is a big yes, let's find out. This time, let us complete this table. Pause the video while doing this activity. Let us check your answers. Pure substance is one of the classes of matter. It is homogeneous or with uniform composition, and its appearance are the same all throughout. During melting, pure substance melts completely or smoothly within a short time. The boiling point of a pure substance is fixed and sharp. Mixture is the other classification of matter. It can be both homogeneous and heterogeneous in appearance, which is composed of two or more pure substances. It does not melt completely and melts some part in a longer time. Its boiling point is not fixed. Did you get it correctly? Wow, that's awesome!
At this time, I will be showing to you some of the matter found in your home. We have water, peanut butter with chocolate, salt, sugar, sugar and water, rice grains and cereals, and sand and gravel. All you have to do is to identify each picture as pure substance or mixture. Let us check your answers. For pure substance, we have water, salt, and sugar. For our mixture, we have peanut butter with chocolate, sugar and water, sand and gravel, and rice grains and cereals. Did you answer it completely? Awesome!
Always remember that pure substance is homogeneous or with uniform composition, and its appearance are the same all throughout, while a mixture can be both homogeneous and heterogeneous in appearance, which is composed of two or more pure substances. To help us to fully understand another property of pure substance and mixture, let us study Table 1 on page 4 of the module. Looking at the boiling points of the two liquid samples, liquid A and liquid B. Which liquid sample do you think is a pure substance? Excellent! It is liquid A. During boiling, the temperature of a substance changes at the start, then it becomes the same and constant. Examine the table again. Which liquid sample is a mixture? That's great! It is liquid B. The temperature of a mixture during boiling is different at different times. Always remember that during boiling, the temperature of a substance changes at the start, then it becomes the same, while the temperature of a mixture is different at different times. Did you get it? That sounds great! This time, let us proceed with the last property of pure substance and mixtures. We are still on page 4 of the module. Together, let us read the scenario on the melting points of two solid samples. Chef Matt and his assistant observed two solid samples, solid A and solid B. Both substances are white crystalline powder. They cannot determine which is a pure substance and a mixture just by looking at it. So, to distinguish which is which, they heated the two samples using an improvised melting dish. Both the two samples were heated at the same time and received an equal amount of heat. After a few minutes, they had observed that solid A melts completely within a short period of time, while solid B has portions that seem to be not melting. Which solid sample is a pure substance? Magnificent! It's solid A. During melting, a pure substance melts completely or smoothly within a short time. Which solid sample is a mixture? Very good! It's solid B. During melting, a mixture has portions that seem to be not melting. Always remember that during melting, a substance melts completely or smoothly within a short time, while a mixture has portions that seem to be not melting. At this point, let us see if you have truly understand our lesson for today. In a one whole sheet of paper, differentiate pure substance and mixtures based on set of properties using a T-chart. Pause the video while doing this activity. Let us now check your answers. Pure substance is homogeneous or with uniform composition and its appearance are the same all throughout. During boiling, the temperature of a pure substance changes at the start, then it becomes the same. During melting, pure substance melts completely or smoothly within a short time. Mixtures can be both homogeneous and heterogeneous in appearances, which are composed of two or more pure substances. During boiling, the temperature of a mixture is different at different times. And during melting, mixture has portions that seem to be not melting. Are you all correct? Awesome! Congratulations! This is indeed another fruitful and meaningful day. You have demonstrated your understanding about our topic. Give yourself a round of applause. I hope you had a great time. Sulong Idokalidad. Thank you for watching, and may this matter be with you.